Okay, now good evening all. Now we have the question 2. In the figure, PQ equals TS. PQ equals TS. And also angle QPT and STP. Once again, QPT, STP will right angles. Let's focus first. Okay, prove that PS equals TQ. That means that we are going to prove that the cross run are equal. In case for the question we are going to prove PS equal TQ, for you think what you learned in your past 3 years. First of all, are they isosceles triangle? If we know the base angle of the base angle of the isosceles triangle are equal, that means we will have the PS will equal to TQ. But in case this is a cross, this is not an isosceles triangle, we will not use this one. The second one we are going to use that is there a parallelogram. But in case, once again, this is cross, but this is not a complete quadrilateral, so we will not going to use the parallelogram once again. So the last one we are going to use that is we are going to use congruent, because we obviously know that for the straight line you have, if they are equal, that must be congruent. So if the answer is I'm going to prove that some angles are equal to some angle, then you must include similar to solve your problem. Okay, now, but if the way that we are going to use the congruent, so which two triangles we are going to use? So obviously PS equal TQ, that must be some triangles that include PS and TQ. So for this question, the only two triangles can include PS and TQ is in triangle PTS and triangle PTS and triangle TPQ. Okay, we have these two triangles. Let's draw it out. Okay, we just make smaller for these two triangles. Okay, now PTQ, PTS, we know that there's right angle. We know that these two are equal. Okay, now let's have a look. Obviously, the first reason we must write down is the right angle. Okay, once again, we find congruence. S, 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 A, S, A, S, A, 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 S, and R, H, S. Okay, now let's have a look. Once again, QPT, QPTS. This is the right angle. So we have one angle, 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 and right angle. Okay, now, so once again, we will not use SSS. Okay, second reason is PQ equals ST. That is S, 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 and S. Okay, now this one is not hypotenuse because TQ will equals PS. But pay attention, what we are going to find is PS equals TQ. That means there is the hypotenuse once again. So we do not know H. So this one is wrong. Okay, what is the last reason we are going to use? We are going to use PT, the common side. Okay, the common side here. So this is once again a S. Okay, this is S. We do not have another A. We don't have another A, so we do not have these two. We are going to use SAS. Once again, for right angle, but this time we are not going to use RHS. We're going to use SAS. Okay, first of all, let's write down the reason we have. Number one, PT will equals TP, common side. First reason, S. Second reason, angle PTS equals angle TPQ. That is the right angle given. Okay, second one. The third one, we are going to use TS equals PQ given once again. So we know these two triangles are congruent. Triangle PTS is congruent to triangle TPQ. That is SAS. S. Okay, after you prove these two are congruent, that means all straight lines and also all right corresponding angles or corresponding side are equal. So TQ equal to PS. So we can conclude PS equals TQ. The reason is corresponding sides, congruent triangles. Okay, we finished this one, but the most difficult part for this question, you must know that you are going to find out the corresponding congruent triangles to solve your problem. Obviously, we have PS, we have TQ, so the only two triangles we use is these two. So please pay attention for doing the congruent triangle questions. Okay, that's finished for this question too. So please try hard to try another questions.